Flaming Lotus Girls. Flaming Lotus Girls is a volunteer-based group of artists who make large-scale kinetic fire art. FLG has been described as a women-focused anarchist art collective. The group began in 2000 in San Francisco, California, as a group of 6 women and 2 men who wanted to gain the fabrication skills and design experience needed to create large sculptural installations. The group includes over 100 members of all genders, and a majority of the members are women. Many of the sculptures have interactive elements, allowing the audience to control the lighting, flames, sound, or other effects. The collective's work has appeared throughout the United States, as well as in Canada, Australia, and the Netherlands. Art. Serenity 2019. Serenity was chosen as a 2019 Black Rock City Honoraria project in February 2019. It features a group of 3 giant and many smaller fireflies escaping the pieces of a large broken jar. Serenity will primarily be sculpted in steel and will feature interactive flame and LED effects at night. It is currently being constructed in San Francisco, California, and is expected to debut at Burning Man in August 2019. Nautica 2017. Nautica is a set of 2 sculptures constructed from 144 stainless steel squares carved with intricate patterns. The larger of the 2 sculptures is hydraulically powered and may be controlled by manually manipulating the smaller sculpture. Nautica was displayed in Black Rock City, NV in 2017. Pulse 2016. Pulse is an anatomically correct heart that beats fire through its 4 chambers, emulating the blood flow through the human heart. The outer steel structure mimics the intricate vasculature and predominant veins and arteries. Above the heart chambers, the aortic arch shoots pulses of fire into the night sky. The sculpture was displayed at the SOM Arts Cultural Center in San Francisco in 2016 as part of an event promoting a Flaming Lotus Girls photo calendar. Xylophage 2013. Xylophage is a giant sculptural fungi featuring sound, light, and fire sprouting from the remains of an enormous tree. Xylophage appeared at Burning Man in 2013. Timpani Lambada 2011. Timpani Lambada is a sculptural representation of the inner ear, with interactive controls for its flames and LED lights. The sculpture is approximately 80 by 40 feet and weighs 25,000 pounds. The planning and construction of the sculpture involved building large trusses out of pipes that carry propane, linked with 140 joints. Soma 2009. Soma is a stainless steel neuron that illustrates flowing electricity through crowd-controlled LED light patterns that shoot along its dendrites and axon. Soma appeared at Electric Daisy Carnival in 2013. In 2014, it was installed at Pier 14 along the Embarcadero on the San Francisco waterfront for 1 year, adapted to light up with LED lights instead of the original balls of fire. In 2016, it moved to Vallejo, California, as a public art installation for 2 years as part of an effort to draw visitors to the city's downtown and waterfront areas. Mutopia 2008. Mutopia is a spiraling sculpture of seed pods, laid out according to the golden ratio, a proportion found throughout art and nature. This sculpture was also displayed at Maker Faire Bay Area in 2011. The Serpent Mother 2006. The Serpent Mother is a 168-foot-long 51 sculpture of a skeletal serpent coiled around her egg. Serpent Mother has appeared at Electric Daisy Carnival and Coachella in 2012 and Burning Man. In 2018, Serpent Mother was featured at the White Night Festival in Melbourne, Australia. The Angel of the Apocalypse 2005. This sculpture, originally built of steel, driftwood, and fire systems, rises from the earth in the form of an abstracted bird. The angel's wings burn continuously with ambient flame, and each feather features audience-controlled poofer fire effects. Its head, formed from curved steel plate and featuring hand-blown glass eyes, stands 20 feet 6'1" tall and functions as a wood-burning fireplace. Participants are invited to move around and between the angel's feathers, and to climb and sit atop its driftwood torso. During its debut appearance at Burning Man, the driftwood torso was burnt as part of the performance. A new steel one was designed and constructed in the winter of 2009-2010 to bring to Toronto's Winter Festival. The Seven Sisters 2004. A collection of 7 sculptures approximately 15 feet 4.6 in height, representing the stars of the Pleiades constellation. The Seven Sisters include Alcyone, Seleno, Maya, Taygeta, Asterope. A Merope rebuild was completed in March 2012 and features CNC plasma-cut stainless steel sides. The Hand of God 2003. A 12-foot 3.7 copper sculpture of a woman's hand that shoots flame from all 5 fingers. Mini Mega Junior 2002. Fire Fan 2002. Huge plumes of liquid fire controlled by MIDI. Fire Island 2002. Interactive flaming flowers, cacti, arbors, and more. Flaming Flower Garden 2001. A garden of fire including copper flowers, a lily pond, and a weeping willow. Flaming Lotus SR 2000. A sculptural flamethrower, created for the 2000 Burning Man Festival. Film. The Flaming Lotus Girls were featured in Dust and Illusions, a documentary about the history of Burning Man. Paune Mortazavi, Rebecca Anders, Rosa Anna de Philippes, Caroline Miller, Charlie Gaitkin, and James Stauffer were the Flaming Lotus Girls members interviewed for the film. The footage features the Serpent Mother,